In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line arrowheads in Canva. Whether you're highlighting a flow, pointing out a detail, or guiding the viewer's eye, adding arrowheads to your lines is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the design canvas. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main toolbar. Click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, and lines. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type the word line. You'll see a variety of options appear, including simple lines and lines that already have arrowheads. Look for a line that shows an arrowhead on one or both ends. When you see it, click it once to add it to your design. It will drop right onto your canvas, ready to use. From there you can drag it to position it, and pull the end handles to adjust the length. If you're aiming for a clean, precise look, take a moment to line it up with your layout so the arrow points exactly where you want the viewer's attention. If you've already added a plain line and now want to turn it into an arrow, select that line on your canvas. When it's selected, a small formatting toolbar appears above the canvas. In that toolbar, look for the options labeled Line Start and Line End. Click either of those to open more choices. You'll see a variety of arrowhead styles you can apply to the beginning or the end of your line. Choose the arrowhead you prefer for one end, the other end, or both, depending on the direction you want to indicate. The change applies instantly, so you can see exactly how it looks in your layout and adjust if needed. As you place your arrow, consider the direction and spacing. Arrows work best when they clearly point from one element to another without crossing too much of your design. If the arrow feels too subtle or too bold, you can always refine its length and angle by dragging the endpoints. Keeping your arrows consistent in style throughout your project helps maintain a tidy, professional look. And that's all there is to it. You can either add a pre-made line with arrowheads from the Elements search, or take an existing line and apply arrowheads using the Line Start and Line End options on the toolbar. With these simple controls, your designs can guide attention and tell a clearer visual story in just a few clicks.